How businesses were affected by COVID-19 pandemic. The outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic has had a drastic impact on businesses across the globe. Many businesses have been forced to close their doors due to strict lockdown measures, while others have struggled to adapt to the new normal. The pandemic has also resulted in a sharp decline in consumer spending as people are becoming more cautious with their money. This has all had a knock-on effect on the economy, with many businesses struggling to stay afloat. The situation is particularly dire for small businesses, which often don't have the same resources as larger companies. Yitzhak D Stern will explore how businesses have been affected by the COVID-19 pandemic and what the future may hold. 3 negative impacts of COVID-19. Shortage of labor. One of the main issues that businesses have been facing during the pandemic is a shortage of labor. With so many people losing their jobs or working from home, there are simply not enough people available to work in many businesses. This has led to widespread disruption, as businesses have been forced to close or scale back their operations. According to Yitzhak D Stern, the hospitality and tourism industries have been particularly hard hit by the labor shortage, as they rely heavily on staff to keep their businesses running. Many hotels and restaurants have been forced to close their doors due to a lack of staff, while others have been struggling to cope with reduced staffing levels. Shortage of demand and supply. Another issue that businesses have been facing during the COVID-19 pandemic is a shortage of demand and supply. With people becoming more cautious with their money, there has been a sharp decline in consumer spending. This has led to businesses struggling to sell their products or services, as people are simply not buying as much as they used to. This problem has been compounded by the fact that many businesses have been forced to reduce their operations due to the pandemic. Yitzhak D Stern believes that this has led to a shortage of goods and services in the market, as businesses are not able to meet the same level of demand as before. This has put further pressure on businesses that are struggling to stay afloat in the current climate. Changing consumer trends. Another impact of the COVID-19 pandemic has been changing consumer trends. With people becoming more health conscious, there has been a shift in spending towards healthy food and products that can help boost immunity. There has also been an increase in demand for home fitness equipment, as people are looking for ways to stay active while staying at home. These changing trends have had a significant impact on businesses, as they have had to adapt their offerings to meet the new demands of consumers. This has not always been easy, and many businesses have struggled to keep up with the latest trends. This has led to some businesses losing market share to their competitors, who have been able to better meet the needs of consumers. Conclusion. All the effects mentioned above by Yitzhak D Stern and more have impacted the economy, with many businesses struggling to continue operations. The future is uncertain for many businesses, and it remains to be seen how the situation will develop in the coming months. Thanks for watching.